Okay, this is just a screen capture, a quick screen capture to show you my process, or hint at my process for making things in Microsoft Forms. So what I want to do, having put materials online, is how do I know the students have engaged with it? Well, my thought about this was I'll put up a short quiz. It's a short quiz for each of the online sessions. Okay, so it's just 10 multiple choice questions. I've set the quiz up in such a way using Microsoft Forms that it registers which students have completed it, and if you complete it, that counts as your attendance. I'll do a separate thing on using Microsoft Forms itself, okay, and how to make a new quiz. But for my workflow, what I found helpful for me is I've got the PowerPoint slides open, and I quickly just go through and I find where within the slides I want to kind of ask a question, something that's there for me to ask a question about. And then rather than creating the questions and the answers straight away in Forms, I use Microsoft Word because I find it easier just to edit stuff around and quickly make changes to the multiple answers and stuff like that I'm doing. The spell checker picks up if I've made spelling errors by and large, so that's really quite useful. And then I just copy and paste this into Forms. So that's how I do it. How you do it's up to you, of course, but this is just how I found it useful from having done a few. So I've got my slides that I can quickly look at, create some questions in Word, and then copy and paste those into Microsoft Forms. See the other video about Forms.